Welcome to our channel, guys. So in this video we're gonna cover up how to convert the binary numbers into decimal numbers. So let us start it. So let's suppose we have a binary number. Let's say that is 1001, and now we have to convert this binary number into decimal number. So how we can do this? To do that, we have to multiply these digits of binary number with the indexes of 2. Let's say this is the unit digit of this number, and now I have to multiply this with the 0th power of 2, and again we have to multiply this the 0th power of 2, that will be 1. 1 power of 2 is 2. 2 square is equal to 4, and 2 cube is equal to 8. And if I multiply this with it, that will be 1. But if I multiply something with 0, that will be 0, and again that will be 0. But 2 cube multiplied by 1, that will be 8. And if I add up 8 plus 1 with it, that will be 9. So that is how we can convert this 1001 into the decimal number 9. So let's dive into it. So let's do some more practice. Like if you wanna convert like 101001 this binary number into decimal number. So how are you going to do this? Similarly, we have to do this like 1 0 to 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 4th power of 2, 5th power of 2, isn't it? So 0th power of 2 is equal to 1, 1th power of 2 is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 cube is equal to 8, 4th power of 2 is equal to 16, 5th power of 2 is equal to 32. So if I multiply this with it, that will be 0, and this will be 2, this will be 0 again, this will be 8, this will be 0, but this will be 32 because 5th power of 2 is equal to 32, and 32 plus 8 plus 2, that is equal to 42. So that's how we can find out the decimal numbers from binary numbers. If this video is helpful for you, you can subscribe our channel and like this video so that I can make more videos like this. So goodbye, see you again in the next video.